Right, so whilst the rear housing is warming up, I want to see if I can get these tracks popped in. Keep them clean. Right, this no longer has the circlip, it just has a shoulder. So this is the old one. I've ground it down on the edges to use as a drift, and hopefully, ooh, it's still tight. Right, we'll see how it goes. I might have to punch it in. Let's see how we do. Right, it's going. Let me up my firepower. Alright. I have to clean that again. It's going. Right, that's not the best thing to use to hit it. So right, at some point we're going to have to get a punch on that. Oh, it's a long way to go still. Let's see what I've got to drift that in. Back to plan A. Right, this is where I need to be careful. That is pretty much home, so I reckon I can get away with using this and not get it stuck that bad. I'd say that's home. Let's have a look. Yeah. One in. I'm just doing this so it's one less job to do. It's quite an easy job to do on a cold day like this. Happy with that. Happy with that. Straight in. Get that bearing safe. And let's try again. This seems to be the better one. Short, shock. It's going. Can't tell you how many of my sockets and tools have fallen off the bench. It's going to take 20 minutes to tidy them all back up. Alright, happy with that. Let's go back to this. Seems pretty good. Just change the angle. got to be close. I think that's probably in. Yeah, that's good. Give it a firm tap all around. Happy with that. That's a new gear prepared, and put all that somewhere clean and safe for now. Next up we have this gear, which we are going to have to drift on some bearings again. So these are going to go in the oven for maybe 15 minutes, about 100 degrees, something like that, and hopefully I'll be able to drift them on. These are the old ones that came off. One was tight and one wasn't so bad. I can see a bit of heat build up there on the shoulder where the bearing sits, so not sure what's gone on with that one. It's a shame that I had to destroy these bearings when I took them off, otherwise I could have done a bit of an inspection on them, but unfortunately I destroyed them getting them off. I've got a drift ready as well, just in case. That'll fit nicely on, and hopefully it won't stick on there, so I can tap that down. But these, first of all, let's go get them in the oven. Right, here we go, first one, straight out the oven. And let's make sure he's right way around. And the heat hasn't helped that much, I've got to say. That's it, I think we're home. That's one done. It did help a little bit. Not much, mind, but yeah, that's pretty good. Let's get the second one. Here we go. Come on. Well, that one worked well. That popped on really easy. Let me just seat it. Right, good, perfect. That one went really easy. That was cool. And job done.